Hi boys and girls, happy Friday. Today you are going to learn a little bit about Olympians and you are going to do a bunch of Flipgrid videos. Your first video will be for your tribe project. You are going to present your project that you made. Please name the tribe that you researched. What scene does your project show? Does it show hunting, gathering, their clothes, their habitat, their shelter, whatever it may be? What information are you trying to teach others from your project? And explain what you made inside it and how. For reading, you're also going to do a Flipgrid to reflect on your reading this week. Please discuss what new information you learned about your tribe, 2 comparisons with your tribe and another tribe that you looked at. Again, that was your reading goal this week. And any questions you still have about your tribe after researching them the past 2 weeks. For writing, all of your books should be finished if everybody did their chapters yesterday. So today you're just going to get to read your finished tribe book, and you can feel free to explore the other books written by the other tribes as well. So each of those books is linked below for you to go and check out. And finally, for math today, you're going to complete the Flipgrid question, where you will be explaining how 4 friends can share 3 oranges. Please make sure to make some type of visual representation or mention how to use fraction tools in order to do that. Last but not least, there is a fraction name activity for you to apply fraction rods, fraction number lines, and identifying fractions. You will need one of the templates, again only one. Count the number of letters in your last name. For example, Traversone has 10 letters, so I chose the template that had 10, had a fraction bar that was broken into tenths. I wrote my last name above. You are going to do your first name, and then each of those letters is a unit fraction, 1/10, just like each of those fraction bar pieces. Then on the number line, my whole is from 0 to 1. And then again, I added all of the tenths tick marks and counted by tenths. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, and so on. Last, you answer the questions. My name has how many equal parts? 10. Each letter of my name represents what unit fraction? 1/10. The fraction of vowels, again, vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. So I have A, E, O, E. So 4/10 of my name are vowels, and then the other amount of those letters are consonants. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6/10 is the number of consonants in my name. Good luck, enjoy, and have fun. If you have any questions, I'm here. Bye.